No messing around. Our top recommendations for software and platforms to make your life easier are Media Info, Notion, a good calendar, WeTransfer, and something like Vimeo Pro or Frame.io for feedback. Now, let's explore why. Media Info, a simple little app that does one important job. It helps you figure out what kind of file you're dealing with. The name should kind of give that away. Download the app from mediaarea.net, right-click a video file in Explorer or macOS, hit Media Info, and you'll immediately find out video and audio formats, codecs, aspect ratios, frame rates, bit rates, color space, as well as all kinds of other information. This can be great when troubleshooting an issue with a file, figuring out technical specifications, or just having a little nose in the metadata. From the technical to the creative, Notion isn't just a great tool for your editing career, it's a great way to organize your life. Whilst at first glance it may appear to be a slightly convoluted notes app, its ability to organize different pieces of information, work with collaborators, embed images, Google Drive and Dropbox links, and lay out things in ways that make sense to you can help you create notes from a meeting, organize to-do lists, archive articles or tutorials for future reference, build scripts or mood boards for your next project, or simply build a shopping list. They have a free version which still allows up to 5 guests, has unlimited pages and syncs across all devices. Whilst I still love a pen and notepad, Notion is often the smarter option once you're working with other people. In a similar vein, a calendar. Now, in this case, I'm using Google Calendar. I have a Gmail account and the Velvet Pig emails are also on Google Workspace, so I can link them nice and easy and at a glance see what my day, week or month will look like. Now, I'm sure most of you are using a calendar in some way, but what I want you to start doing is blocking out time for everything. And I mean everything. If you land a 5-day editing gig, block it out in your calendar for each day. You don't have to bring it into your personal life quite as much as I have, but by color coding your work and blocking things out, you'll be able to much better see your availability and where you're spending your time. Okay, now for dealing with files. Dropbox, Google Drive and others have all gotten better about making it easier to send files to clients, but maybe you're not there yet and you just need a free, reliable way to send a file. WeTransfer is pretty much the go-to. Enter your email into the recipient's email, include a message or don't, drag and drop your file and boom, off you go. You'll get an email to confirm it has been sent, your client will get an email with your message and a download link, and once they click it and download, you'll get another email so you know it's been delivered. WeTransfer has been around for ages, long before the other guys started making it easier to directly send files to clients or collaborators. It's well known, reliable, and pretty much idiot-proof. And if you need it, they offer some reasonably priced paid options that allow files to be kept for longer and larger files to be sent. Although for my money, I'd probably look into cloud storage at that point if I were you. Last but not least, make your reviews and revisions simpler using a platform that allows time-coded comments. We currently use Vimeo Pro, but we started with Frame.io years ago. And in my mind, they're the ones that sort of led the way with these feedback features, allowing collaborators and clients to comment and draw on the video with the comments being linked to the timecode. I cannot emphasize how much clearer this can make the process of receiving feedback as opposed to a list of notes in an email. Comments can also be hidden, allowing your team to make internal comments that a client can't see, but still allow both groups to access the same file and same tools to provide individual notes. Adobe recently acquired Frame, and it looks like they're offering access as part of the Creative Cloud subscription. So if you're already paying for Adobe, it's almost certainly worth giving it a go. The ability to use extensions in Premiere to import comments and sync timeline playback with the version on Frame can really make revisions a much less painful experience. That said, I can't promise your clients will use it. One of the biggest challenges we had was getting clients to stop sending email notes and to actually use the tools we were providing. But when they do, it works so much better. And that's it for the 5 pieces of software or platforms I think you should be using to make your life simpler. Good luck out there.